This week we're going to be working on 2 more action verbs. Now, we're going to be using the words go and do. Now, when do we use go and do? We use go when we're talking about going somewhere, right? If you're physically moving and you're going to a different place. So, I go to work. I go to school. Now, do is when we use the word when we are physically doing something, right? So, I do my homework. I do the dishes. So both of these are verb tenses, and remember, verb tenses tell us when something is happening. So there are 2 different verb tenses. There are present, and that's when it's happening right now, and there are past, and that's when it's already happened. We've already done it. Now, this week's words, go and do, are both present tense verbs. That means they are happening right now. So for example, today I go to school. Another example, we do our work. But what if we want to talk about stuff we already did? We would talk about the past present. So to do that, we would change the word. The past tense of go is went. Instead of I go to school, if you already went to school, you'd say I went to school. Yesterday, we went to school. So the past tense of do is did. So they already did their work, they're done. We did our work. So remember, we're really looking at go and do this week, but don't forget the words went and did and when we use them. Look at the present tense and the past tense. And make sure you head to the next video so we can work on our sheet together, not homework.